Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting wagons of 2025, the Audi RS6 Avant GT. Audi is releasing just 85 of these stunning machines in the United States. And they come with a premium price tag of $198,900. So what makes the RS6 Avant GT stand out? Let's start with the engine. This beast is equipped with a twin turbocharged 4-liter V8 that has been fine-tuned to deliver 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. That's a solid increase over the standard RS6, giving it 30 more horsepower and 37 additional pound-feet of torque. Audi claims that this powerhouse can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, with a top speed reaching an impressive 190 miles per hour. But performance isn't the only area where the RS6 Avant GT shines. Audi has taken the exterior design to another level. It features a carbon fiber hood and fenders, along with a new front splitter, vertical blades in the front apron, and a bold, aggressive rear diffuser. These upgrades don't just give the car an even more menacing look, they also reduce weight, cutting 88 pounds off the overall mass. This makes the car lighter, more agile, and better suited to handle the increased power. On top of that, Audi has made significant improvements to the handling. The RS6 Avant GT is equipped with adjustable coilover suspension and a retuned Quattro Sport differential, providing drivers with sharper, more precise handling. It's a setup designed to enhance both performance and driver engagement, making this one of the most dynamic wagons ever built. And we can't forget the 22-inch wheels that complete the look, giving the car a presence that's impossible to ignore. What's also cool about this limited edition RS6 is its inspiration. It pays tribute to the legendary Audi 90 Quattro IMSA GTO race car. So it's not just about modern performance. There's a deep connection to Audi's racing heritage that makes this car even more special. It's the perfect blend of nostalgia and high performance. Now, if you're one of the lucky few who can get your hands on one of these 85 cars, you'll want to act fast because Audi is expecting these models to land in the US market by the end of the year. With such a limited run and all the performance upgrades, this is sure to be a highly sought-after model. So, what do you think? Would you drop nearly $200,000 on this super wagon? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on performance cars like the RS6 Avant GT. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.